You can see it is pretty fun. This website looks pretty nice. Maybe you can get something more with the MetaMask wallet connecting. This is revealed to make parts and currently sitting on 0.014 price with the 248 Ethereum volume. That's like wow. And look at the items. There are like 28k items. That's pretty big. There are pretty nice tiles for 50, 80 bucks, 15 bucks, 55, 51. That's nice. And the website, I loved it. That's very nice. There makes childish merch, cyberbreaker merch. Oh, you can actually get this. Oh my god, they already know my locations. Home products. They got a lot of things. And this t-shirt for 5,800 rupees. Oh, this is sold out. This is sold out. Those two caps are sold out. The cap price and the t-shirt price are same. Okay, that's nice. Styles, audio lore, user guide, resources. So you can check out more this Twitter, which I was finding. They got like 26k followers, another paradigm lost creating collectibles, content, and experiences for the metaverse. Expand your reality, make parts real right now. All the reveals, battle of emotes, commentary pick for the youth, only available to style and